Hi guys, so we are Team FreeKey and this is our pitch for our model, which is Typesheet. And this team consists of me, Sunit Menon, R. Yogesh, and Suha Dineshas. So the main problems we're looking to tackle with our product is one, keyboards are passive and context blank. Keyboards are pretty much used as a peripheral that takes info from us and relays it to the PC, and that's pretty much it. It doesn't do anything beyond that. And we're looking to give keyboard a more of a usage in day-to-day activities besides just typing. And they're also context blind, so they don't keep any record of what actually happened or connect the dots between it. So we are looking into enhancing that part about it and also making a keyboard into a more smarter peripheral. 2. AI assistance breaks workflow. So the main issue with AI assistance is the friction it causes. If you have to say, for example, need a help with drafting an email, and for that you have to go to another software which is in an entirely different platform, and then talk to it and tell our needs, our wants, and what we don't want, and also and after that we'll have to run through multiple iteration of the prompts in order to finally get a mail that we can use and copy paste that back into the original platform. And this might not be feasible because sometimes the text formatting can break between these two different platforms, and we aim to overcome this sort of friction and make it more seamless. And 3, writing and communication are repetitive but time critical. So for some tasks, for example, talking with clients or talking to interviewers or in general mailing potential recruiters, we have to be very repetitive because the motive is pretty much the same in all of the tasks, but we have to address to them with their own time, and we should treat them in a more punctual manner, as having a delay or having any changes in the time frame can cause a more unfavorable outcome. And we are looking to tackle that by fixing the repetitive part and also enhancing that process so that we will never have any issues with time-based deadlines. Now over to Yogesh for the rest.
Coming to the solution for these problems, the first one being an intelligent input assistant built to fit naturally into the typing experience. Rather than disrupting the flow, our solution aims to be integrated directly into the typing experience of the user. 2. It provides real-time AI assistance during typing. So when the user types anything, we have integrated AI in real time to assist the user typing. 3. No prompts, no copy paste, and no workflow interruptions. Rather than switching between platforms, disrupting the workflow, the natural integration into the user typing experience benefits users. Moving on to the key features, the first one being text formatting using hotkeys. So using hotkeys, user could quickly format the text. They could rewrite it, they could shorten it, they could adjust the tone, etc. Message generation, a feature that automatically continues writing or generates text based on the content which is typed by the user. Third, type assist. It is basically a context-aware sentence autocomplete, which suggests sentence completion based on what the user has typed. And lastly, the stat sheet. So we track the performance of the user and suggest user improvements and other advice based on their performance. Over to Suha.
So I'm going to talk about the technical architecture and the basic flow of the project. So the first step is to take input from the user. This can be through hotkeys, to the cursor placement, or through the text selection that can be further sent as context to the model. This context is is supported by other features such as the type of application, the writing surface, and the language patterns used. And this context package is being sent to the LLM as input. This LLM, the LLM along with the text input, takes this and uses the required transformation or generation that is being demanded and further produces an output text. This output text is then seamlessly entered into the cursor position or the desired location that the user may require. Further, I would like to talk about the scope and impact of this project. The major impact of the project is definitely the faster writing and communication that it provides. The writing increases the speed at which the user can do tasks such as writing large essays, text, paragraphs, emails can be drastically improved using this software. Furthermore, the user can reduce his effort that he requires to do tasks that can be easily done by AI at such a with drastically low effort and higher speeds. The second phase of this project can include personalization of this AI in order to use a specific touch to the model language, as well as adding lingos, etc. We can also add a role-based support, which can streamline the AI towards being used by people like a section, society of students, jobs, and many other people. Thank you. TypeShape.